Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to download the EA app and if you receive this error when you try to install it, error code INST-3-1723. To fix it, you can go to the download location. So click on show in folder and go to the download location. And once you go to downloads, you can make a right click on EA app installer and then run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. And here you can see it's downloading now. So I was receiving the error. So after running it as an administrator, I was able to fix the error. And once the download is complete, it will install the file. So the installation is complete and it should launch the EA app now. So this is how you can fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.